How to block contact on Google Meet. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open the app, Meet, and once you open it up, you will be finding this interface. All you gotta do is search for the person that you are looking. You may tap on search contacts and select the person that you would like to block. And then you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, tap on the three dot at the top. Once you tap on it, here you'll be finding three options. Locate the option called View Details, the first one. And after tapping on it, here you should be finding this. So from here, you should be finding Privacy and Support. Click on the option called Block Contact. And after tapping on it, confirm this block contact. And once you do, the contact will be blocked on Google Meet. So that is how you block contact on Google Meet. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.